In this video, we're going to solve a worded question that's actually a simultaneous equation question. At the movies, Jodie buys 3 regular popcorns and 5 small drinks at a cost of $24.5. Her friend Renee buys 4 regular popcorns and 3 small drinks at a cost of $23.5. We want to find what the individual costs of a regular popcorn and a small drink are. To do this, we need to separate it into 2 parts. We've got Jodie and we've also got Renee. Let's start by using Jodie and seeing what we're actually told. We're told that she buys 3 popcorn and 5 drinks and it costs her $24.50. We're told for Renee that she buys 4 popcorn plus 3 drinks. It costs her $23.50. To put that into an equation, it's very simple. What we need to do is we need to say popcorn equals P and D equals a drink. So we'll change this to 3P plus 5D equals $24.50. And we change Renee's one to 4P plus 3D equals $23.50. From here, we can put these 2 equations into our simultaneous equations function on our calculator and easily find out what it costs for a P and a D, so the popcorn and drinks. So I'll go to menu, I add a calculator, and then I hit menu, algebra, solve system of equations, and it will come up with this. Remember our variables were actually P and D, so we can change our variables to P and D in this case. From here, all we have to do is enter our 2 equations, and they were, of course, 3P plus 5D equals $24.50 and 4P plus 3D equals $23.50. From here, we hit enter and we realise that for a drink it costs $2.50 and for the popcorn it costs $4. This right here would be the answer. We can take it one step further and we can actually put this into a graph. And if we're ever told to make a graph, you can follow this. First of all, we add a graph. And what we want to do is we want to add an equation. Remember that our equation is actually this third one, ax plus by equals c. Back to our equations, we want to add 3p, in this case it's x, plus 5d equals 24.5. And then we want to add another equation, which is 4p plus 3d equals 23.5. And you'll realise that this is what gets displayed. Obviously, our p has changed to x and d has changed to y. So p is on our x-axis, y is on our y is our d-axis. Now, the interesting thing here is that this point here, where the points intersect, and we want to know what they are. We can easily generate that by going menu, analyze graph, intersection, and if we click down here to mark the lower bound and then drag across anywhere, you'll notice if once I've crossed that intersection and click again, it will automatically come up with the intersection there. And we see that the x-axis is 4 and the y-axis is 2.5. If we go back to our answer here, we knew that the drinks was 2.5 and the popcorn was $4. And that's what's being displayed right here.